Let's talk about how to hem an uneven dress. Join me. This is going to be a quick one, but a very important one, so let's dive right in. First, most important, this is not going to be a technical video. I have got tons of hemming videos, specifically dress hems is what we're talking about today, because this is the most common area where we have uneven hems coming in straight from the factories, straight from mass production. So tell me if you've heard this one before. You're trying to pin a dress on someone. This side looks like it's about half an inch longer than this side. This little section looks like it's about a 1/4 inch too short. These are issues that are not aesthetic, so it's not a design thing. It's a mass production, straight from the factory issue. So they're cutting these dresses, 50 front panels of some poly chiffon bridesmaid's dress in a stack straight down with a massive knife. The fabric's gonna be off grain. Then comes the sewing. The sewing is gonna be a little bit off as well because it's going down the assembly line. And then you've got the customer or yourself and you're putting on this dress and you yourself, you are not symmetric side to side. And so we've got a little bit of play there in the measurements as well. Combine all of these factors, differences in body, production issues, grain issues with the fabric, and now you've got a seemingly impossibly uneven dress, and you think, how am I going to even this up? Well, I'm going to give you my hedge. I would not call it foolproof, but I would also say that hemming dresses is never, ever foolproof. What I can tell you is that imagining to yourself that you are actually going to even up that dress by pinning half an inch over here, pinning a 1/4 of an inch over here, is a endless, bottomless pit of sorrow. You can do it if you want. I will just tell you that thousands of dresses in, that one has not worked for me. I'm just here to testify. So what has worked for me is this. I know and agree with you that these dresses are coming in uneven and you want to do something about it. Here's the issue. People change from day to day. From 1 week ago when she tried it on, maybe she changed her shoes, maybe her hips are different, she's standing differently. In and of itself, that makes it difficult to do. What I do to hedge this bet is I remove an even amount for the first cut, no matter what. I do. Again, probably an unpopular opinion, but the first cut, I remove an even amount. So I take the average of all of my pins, I pin that dress all the way around her, and I take the measurement that will keep the dress the longest. So say you pinned up 3 inches over here and 2.5 inches over here, I'm gonna take the 2.5 inches, removing the least amount, keeping the dress the longest, and I'm gonna do a full cut. I'm gonna keep that scrap, and I'm gonna make it even all the way around, okay? Then, second fitting, they come to put it back on, that's when you can make the uneven cut. But the first go for me is always even all the way around, basically no matter what. We need to get a little off the bottom so that we can zero in on exactly where that hem should be. And in my opinion, this is the most direct path. This is the easiest way to get there. Again, it's not foolproof, but nothing is. And when I get a little more off and take a little more off, so maybe I do it again the second round, maybe there are 3 fittings. That's the other thing. Anyone who sews knows this, but a lot of people think alterations are I'm laughing, are right the first time. And that's ridiculous. It just doesn't work that way. I mean, the difference between before lunch and after lunch on our bodies alone makes it so that betting that the alterations are right first time is silly. So instead, I'm gonna count on a second fitting. I'm gonna assume there's a second fitting. I'm gonna tell that person in the dress right that moment, you're gonna put this on and we're gonna check it again. So bring the shoes back. And then we do. At that point, second go, that's when I will intentionally cut unevenly. but I will not do it the first time. I will only do it after I've removed an even amount first, kept that scrap, and then I will go again. Thank you for joining me on this soapbox. And again, I will link all of the videos for actually sewing dresses so that you can jump into that next and take this little morsel, this little nugget with you and keep that in the back of your mind. Thanks so much. See you soon.